Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you the grep text in part 13 of the must try AI tools in Canva. Guessing lots of you are already received a picture image from clients where the text was already in the picture and somehow we have to remove it or we have to hide it. For example, if I have a Hungarian client who will not use this picture, but of course not in English, they will not use it in Hungarian text. The only thing what we can do, we have to remove somehow the text or somehow hide it. Maybe on this one is not that difficult due to the white. We can add some white square and we can remove it, but that's not working in every images. So as you can see, that's really just one image. This is not a template. So here we cannot grab just a text and retype it or just deleting it. Here is really part of the picture. So I just selecting the image, go into the edit, and in the Magic Studio I just go into the grep text. It's already selected, or all text. That also depends. We can select different portions of the text if you want, or just select all text. And here, as you can see, the text is already removed, and even the Canva recognize the font type. So even if we can change the font type, we can even we can type anything if we want, which is a pretty cool feature in the Canva. As you can see, I just retyped it. Of course, we can use also the magic write, or we can translate the text if we want. So just moving back to here and selecting the whole text. Yes, and here translate text and just select language. Like if I will not use German, just translating, and as you can see, it's already translated to German. We can choose between original, professional, conventional, friendly, informative, or inspirational. So we can change the tone. But here, I think for this, of course, the best thing what we can do just to use the original and translating it. And as you can see that how easy it was to change the German text, so the English text to German. I really love this AI tools in the Canva. Here we even change the font type and change the language of the text. So this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in Canva or any other AI tools. Also visit my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description, where you can find lots of different Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. You can find AI tutorials, plus you can find a bunch of text to image generation prompts for different applications. So if you are also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. But now, thanks for watching. See you in the next one, and ciao.